Hi guys, I'm Darrel. I'm one of the field rangers here at Thornybush Nature Reserve and in charge of training the dogs and keeping everyone up to standard. So just to break it down for you, the three tracking dogs we have, the two bloodhounds and the blue coonhound, they're cold tracking dogs, so we can put them on older tracks. We can put them on tracks that are up to 24 hours old. Bira also has the ability to backtrack, so if we get an exit point on the reserve, we can put Bira onto the tracks and he can track back along the tracks to see what the guys were up to in the reserve. And Storm, our blue coonhound, will also be trained to do cold tracking, but in the likelihood of us getting hot tracks, we can also put her on the hot tracks with a plan that eventually she'll be trained to track and bite. Our multi-purpose dogs have three sort of roles. They are there for article detection, so they can detect three different contrabands. There's rhino horn, ivory, and ammunition. They're also able to do tracking, but they are hot tracking dogs, so we put them on a much fresher scent if we're getting close. And then the third aspect is their suspect apprehension. So if we manage to find somebody and they don't want to listen to what we're telling them, then we have the ability to send those dogs in to apprehend them. You know, whether they're running away or they're pointing a firearm at you, the dogs will be able to help you out in the situation. So we are mostly donor funded. All of our equipment, our dog food, our dogs, even our kennels has all been donated through sponsors that are found largely through the lodges on the reserve. Guides bring their guests down to come and visit the canine unit. We have a little training area that we do demonstrations in, and the guests come and see the dogs, meet the dogs. Obviously not the multi-purpose canines, they're a bit rough, but the tracking dogs, the guys can play with them and sort of touch them, pat them on the head. They're not too aggressive.